I'll be wrapping up today our drug-resistant TB. And the drug-resistant TB that we have discussed so far is for patients who are more than 15 years, from 15 years upwards. We're not doing those who are less than 15 years because that is regarded as a pediatric community or a pediatric population. And that one is treated at a specialized center that is the Center of Excellence. In our case, in South Africa, it's Sizwe Hospital. That's a Center of Excellence. So they deal with the pediatric population. Now, so what we have been talking about all along has been those who are greater than 15 years. Right. Now, the most important